Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, President of the Republic of the Philippines. Taking.
Nung araw kasi tayo young, ngayon young ones na lang yata tayo. Okay, please raise your right hand, follow after me. I, please state your name. Having been duly elected as of the ANVIL Business Club for 2013 and 2014, do solemnly swear to discharge. Thank you. Please sit down. Secretary Greg Domingo, Senator Sani Angara, elected officials of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, of the Philippine Exporters Confederation, Employers Confederation of the Philippines, and the ANVIL Business Club, fellow workers in government, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Just a while ago, your new officers took on the responsibility of leading associations that keep the dynamo of progress and inclusive growth engaged at full throttle. Earner that spends money on your products and services. It is the Filipino parent that instills values and knowledge in their children, who will then sustain the virtuous cycle of prosperity and empowerment that we are. And good afternoon.
Thank you, and now Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We now call on the Employers Confederation of the Philippines.